Everybody, especially 10th standard, all the boys and all the girls. Again, state board, boys and girls, CBSE boys and girls. How are you? How is your study? How is your behaving in your house? How is your coordination with your parents? How is your parents' coordination with you? Are you polite in the house? Do you respect your parents and grandparents and all the house people in the house? How is your timetable? How many of you get up by exactly before 5 early morning? How many of you study minimum for 12 to 15 hours in a day, daily? How many of you read minimum 100 pages per day? How many of you write minimum 10 pages per day? How do you make use of mobile? Do you use mobile or do you misuse mobile? How are your food habits in the house? How is your dressing? How is your regular timetable? Are you sure? Do you take bath daily before 6 o'clock? Are you sure that you take exercise before 6 and evening after 6? Are you healthy? Are you happy? Do you miss the school? Do you miss your teachers? Do you miss Dadaji? How is your handwriting? How is your handwriting quality in Hindi and Marathi? Also in English. How is your speed? Are you sure that you will be able to complete minimum 30 pages in 3 hours during annual exam? That means today is your speed 10 pages per hour in all languages. What is your math speed per problem? Is it 2 minutes? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes? Per problem. Word problem 4 to 5 minutes. And non-word problems 2 to 3 minutes, and objective is the speed 1 minute per problem or less than that. How is your garden? How is your Krishna Kamal? How many flowers do you see every day? Have you planted mango trees? Are your 100 saplings ready? Is your nursery ready? Have you made 100 plants out of your Krishna Kamal? 100 plants out of Krishna Kamal, 100 plants out of mango seeds, koya. How is your time in the house? Are you punctual in your timetable? Are you sincere about 10th standard? Are you sure that you can get best of the marks in SSC? Can you go close to the merit? How many of you plan to get out of marks in SSC? How many in above 95, above 90, above 85, above 80? Last, how many of you are above 75? And very important, how many have lost their confidence and they say, yes, they will get the marks below 75%. How many of you have adopted Eklavya pattern. Do you believe? Day before yesterday I told there are 3 patterns. One Arjun pattern was with Guru all the 24 hours. One Karna pattern was not in the school, but he was with the company of Dronacharya's students. He was not student of Dronacharya, but Dronacharya's students were his friends. Kaurav Pandav, especially Kauravas, Duryodhana, Dushasana and all. But Eklavya did not have his guru with him, neither guru's students, means his friends were not with Guru, or guru's students were not with Eklavya. So out of 3, what is your position? Would you like to become Arjuna or Karna or Eklavya? Students, have you planned about your future life? Do you think or enjoy Corona? Do you plan something to face Corona problems, Corona diseases and Corona total dangerousness? The words future, your family future and your future. Do you think of your family or do you think of yourself only? Are your thoughts social or not? Please, all these questions will, if you sincerely think, the questions will motivate you. You have to remain very alert, very careful, very careful. And therefore, today I request all the local students in and around Rahata, Kelwad, Daigaon, Korala, Shirdi, Nigoz, Nappawadi, Ranjangaon, Ekaruka, Astagaon, Pimpri, Bableshwar, Tisgaonwadi, Khadkewake. All these places and especially in Rahata, Shirdi Rahata, Daigaon, Nandurki, Kankuri. From very many places, very many students are there. All these students will meet me, will try to meet me, not compulsory, not compulsory. But if they wish, if their parents wish, they may come and meet me in between 5 to 6 in the evening or 9 to 11 in the morning or 9 to 10 in the morning. Once again, 5 to 6 in the evening and 9 to 10 in the morning, early morning. Let the students and their parents, but strong parents. I always say, if your mother is strong, you come with your mother. If your father is very stunt, you come with your father. Let the loose of them remain at home by nature. Your mummy is not very strict with you. She need not to come and meet me. Your father is not at all very strict with you. Let him not come. The one who takes your proper care with love and strictness both. So you are welcome to school in between 9 to 10 tomorrow and day after tomorrow. 2 days are given. Or 5 to 6 in the evening in between these 2 days. Today what date is there?
7th.
7th. So 7th,
Tuesday.
8th and 9th. I give 3 days. You come and meet. But you come with your mind ready. I'll ask you many questions, not regarding your study, but regarding your response to your SSC batch, your interest, your sincerity, or your consistency, ISC. Are you interested in giving SSC, preparing for SSC? Are you sincere? And is there consistency in your routine, regularity, consistency? And if it is there, very good. I'll be happy. Let your parents spare little time with you. You are given today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, but don't come together, separate. Keep social distance. Then sanitizing, and don't meet me. मेरे से दूर रहो. Remain 15 feet away from me. When you come, you ring me. Dadaji, I am on the gate. And you come, and by keeping social distance and all the rules of Corona, we'll discuss. I would like to get the feedback from your parents. Feedback meeting and your difficulties. You come and tell me. I will definitely cooperate. I will guide you. I would like to share with you your difficulties, your problems. Okay, waiting for you.
Hostelers.
And hostelers, they may ring me all 10 standard in 3 days. But when you ring your father or mother, one of the parent who is very strict, who is perfect caretaker of you, वो मुझे फोन पर बोलेंगे. We don't worry from KG to 9th, we don't worry 11th also. We worry more about 12th standard and 10th standard batch. Those who are going to appear the board exam, other school exam. So they also should be sincere. But board exam students, those who are going to attend and appear for board exam, they should be very sincere. That is called external exam. External exam board. So please be sincere. Contact me personally. Don't say you may discuss with your teachers. But personally, I am interested in knowing your progress. Because very less time is with us. Very less time. Mostly on 15th of August, some change we'll see in India. And after arriving of vaccine, after we get the vaccine in Maharashtra, in India, in 8 to 10 days we will take decision urgently. Till then, goodbye, good day, good night.